In line with the commitment of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. to improving healthcare services before the end of 2024, the palace has announced the expansion of PhilHealth benefits for its members. The government has introduced enhanced benefit packages for various medical conditions, ensuring greater healthcare coverage for Filipinos. Aside from the enhanced benefit packages, the palace also announced the removal of the 45-day benefit limit on hospital confinement, which previously capped a member's hospitalization coverage within a year. With this revision, PhilHealth members can now access extended medical care without the previous restrictions, providing financial relief and improved health care accessibility.
Inalis na ng PhilHealth ang 45-day benefit limit para matiyak na ang mga serbisyo ng ahensya ay mananatiling walang hadlang. Ayon sa pamunuan ng PhilHealth, maraming mga serbisyo ang kinakailangan ng higit 45 days na coverage, gaya nga lamang ng hemodialysis.